Hi, I'm Nick. I'm the founder and CEO of Tethyr, and this is Sucd, stuff you can do in Tethyr. And what we're talking about here is Google Docs. We all know Google Docs. Everybody uses them. Microsoft has made MS Office a bit of a pain in the butt, and a lot of people are switching over to Google Docs. People are using Google Docs more and more because they're free. With Tethyr, you can import a Google Doc into Tethyr. So here we have the resume for Cecilia Aurora, who we are doing a portfolio for, and we have her Google Doc. We're going to copy it, copy the address, and paste it into the import dialog in Tethyr. And here it populates. You hit add to playlist. It's actually already there because I did it already. And then when you go over to it, bam, you have her resume in Tethyr. And but the cool thing about Google Docs in Tethyr is that if you can import it into Tethyr, somebody else will definitely be able to see it. You don't have to worry about the permissions. You'll see that this document, this master stream list thing that we use in-house, is not importing. And but if I go to the sharing settings and I change the link sharing settings and external access, done. Then when I paste it, it will be able to import, and you will have the Google Doc inside of Tethyr. Cool. So that is something that you can do with Tethyr.